welcome to my channel. So today we are watching Peppa Pig, but you also have to learn English, vocabulary and grammar from this video. So let's start. So Peppa said, whoa, whoa, that hurts. Okay.
Are you alright, Peppa? I hurt my knee.
Peppa said, I hurt my knee.
Madam Gazelle, Peppa has fallen over.
You've just...
Oh, so Madam Gazelle said, you just grazed your knee.
Raised your knee, Peppa.
First, Madam Gazelle cleans Peppa's knee.
Okay.
Then she puts a plaster on it.
Does that feel any better?
Yes, thank you.
Now, children, you may have noticed that Pedro Pony isn't here today.
Is he late again?
No.
Susie Sheep says, is it late again? Actually, Pedro Pony is in hospital because he has broken his leg.
Susie, Pedro is in hospital. And today we are going to visit him.
Okay.
This is the hospital.
Okay.
Peppa and her friends have come to visit Pedro Pony.
Okay. So, Peppa and her friends have come to visit Pedro Pony. And this is Mrs. Rabbit. Is the driver.
Remember, children, stay close to me.
Actually, Susie Sheep is wearing his nurse costume. Okay.
I don't want you getting lost.
Yes, Madam Gazelle.
All of the children says, yes, Madam Gazelle.
Excuse me, Mr. Bull, which way is the children's ward?
Madam Gazelle says, excuse me, Mr. Bull, which way is the children's ward? Here's the Mr. Bull. This is really complicated, see? This.
Down the steps, double doors.
Okay. Down the steps, double doors. Right, left, right, okay. Along the corridor.
Up the stairs,
Up the stairs,
third on your left.
third on the left.
Ah,
Or you could just take the left.
Okay.
Children's ward.
So here's the children wall, see? It's look like a playground.
Pedro will be asleep. Sick people do a lot of sleeping. Hello, everyone. Hello, Pedro. Why aren't you asleep? You don't look sick. I broke my leg and then...
See, Pedro Pony says, I broke my leg.
I put it in this plaster cast.
Okay.
The plaster cast helps Pedro's leg get better.
I grazed my knee and I got a plaster too. Wow.
So Pedro Pony says, wow. Okay.
Do you want to draw on my
No one draw on any plaster, okay?
plaster cast? Yes, please.
The children are all doing drawings on Pedro's plaster cast.
Okay. Danny Dog has drawn football.
I'm drawing a football.
See.
I've drawn some flowers. Mr. Potato.
So this is the flower, Mr. Potato,
A parrot.
a parrot, and Peppa made a muddy
A
puddle.
muddy puddle. Wow. Thanks, everyone. You can draw on my plaster too. Okay, I'll draw a little flower. Thank you, Pedro.
Okay. The next.
You're doing it all wrong. This is the proper way to swing across.
Peppa said, you are doing it all wrong. This is the proper way to swing across.
Stand back. Ready, steady.
Actually, where is... Okay, Granddad Dog is looking at there. Okay, that pig is looking. Okay. Only this. Granddad Dog.
Go! Whee! Look at me. I'm flying like a bird.
Peppa said, look at me. I'm flying like a bird.
out.
Peppa is stuck in the tyre.
Peppa is stuck in a tire.
It's not funny.
Well, it does look a bit funny. We'll have to pull you out.
Peppa's friends are helping to free her.
Hooray!
Okay.
Everyone.
George, do you want to play on the climbing frame?
The climbing frame is quite high. George does not like being up high.
Oh, George is crying because he does not like heights. Even Daddy Pig also.
Sorry, George. Let's play on the slide.
Yes, slide. Yippee!
Peppa loves the slide.
See, the narrator says Peppa loves the slide.
Everyone loves the slide.
Mummy, Daddy, look at me. Ready, steady, go. Whee! 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 Whee!
Okay, here's George. He wants to also play on the slide, but I know he will cry again.
George wants to play on the slide.
Are you sure, George? It is a bit high. All right, I'll help you up the steps.
Oh dear, it is a bit too high for George.
Oh no, I said.
I'll slide down with you.
Daddy, you're too big to go down the slide.
Don't be silly, Peppa. I'm not too big. Stand back. Ready? Steady.
Go.
Oh.
Oh no! Daddy Pig is stuck in the slide and George is free.
Daddy Pig is stuck.
It's not funny.
It looks very funny, Daddy.
I suppose it is a bit funny.
We'll have to push you down.
Either children are no. Is the Peppa is really evil? See, we have to push you down. No, 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 no. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Ah! Is she crazy, Peppa? She's jumping on the Daddy Pig's tummy. I knew all the children will do that same rule. Oh, oh no. Oh boy. What? There was one mistake.